Got here right in time to catch the Dumbo bus back to the lodge. See Dumbo? Oh, there's a loud beeping. Boy, timing. Huh? Thomas. Thomas is the bus driver's name. Good old Thomas held on for us. Jerry's got him, and the 9 pounds of added weight for the gift shopping.
Yeah, like crackers and cookies. They don't weigh that much.
Uh-huh.
There's going to be a Thomas already. He already looks annoyed with us.
Yeah. Yeah, we were watching it from afar. We're like, oh, he hasn't sit down yet. Oh, he's sitting down. Oh, he's got the seatbelt on.
Like Chris Lindsay when I need her. She said, run, get the bus.
Oh, Sam's giving him the baby cakes. That'll appease him.
Or annoying even more.
It could go either way. We don't know. Oh, she's telling him he's going to tell her dad. Sam's correct. Okay. We'll put it on video for you, buddy. Okay. Okay. Here comes Thomas. Getting Sammy off the bus. Our driver Thomas. I go back and listen to them all and add the drivers on the description, so I always do that kind of afterwards. Okay. He really likes the second check-in. He really wants to watch the second check-in a lot. One that he kind of helped do. All right. Thank you, Thomas. All right, Sam's back. All right. Here we go. Sam's in the elevator now. Off the buses in the elevator. To get started, first got in. Moo. Oh, we get a moo in the elevator.
Fastest elevator, Sam.
Okay, here we go.
And this way.
No, we go down the end of the hall. Okay.